Hey everyone, it's Blake with FilterTime, and today I'm going to tell you how to change your air filter. Well, the first step is to try to figure out where the heck your air filters are. Sometimes they're in the ceiling, sometimes they're in the actual unit, and sometimes they're in the wall. So this one's in the wall. Alright, for this one, we just open the tabs, lower the grate, and out comes the air filter. Now that we have the old filter out, make sure your new filter from FilterTime has the right size. 20 by 20 by 1 on this one, 20 by 20 by 1. Another very important part is the airflow direction. They'll have an arrow. The arrow is facing towards the wall. The airflow goes into the wall on these units or the returns that are in your wall. So airflow in, and also, if there is no arrow, the metal side is always facing into the wall as well. Another little tip here is if you see some excess dust building up here on your grate, just grab a little towel, wipe it off, make sure we have the cleanest air going through our house as possible. Latch, done. And make sure you check your ceilings for the filter returns. So a lot of houses have them in the walls and in the ceilings. So the ceiling's the same way. On latch, remove the filter, and as far as the airflow goes, the arrow will be pointing towards the ceiling. So arrow pointing up, metal side facing away from you. And here's a good tip. If your filter has a little bit of wiggle room up here and it falls down when your AC is off, there's these tabs that are built with a lot of houses, and these tabs are made for this. You take a little screwdriver, you bend the tabs out just a little bit to secure the filter nice and centered in the return. And then the filter fits just perfect. And if you don't have the tabs, an easy little thing to change these things is you turn the fan on your thermostat so it sucks up the filter and lets you close the grate easily.